Did you know that corn is one of the oldest cultivated crops?
Dating back over 7,000 years in Mesoamerica.
This versatile plant isn't just a staple source of carbohydrates in many countries. It also comes in a variety of colors like yellow, white, red, and purple. Beyond being a direct food source, corn is used to produce bioethanol fuel, animal feed, and various industrial products.
Its rich nutritional content,
packed with vitamins and fiber, makes it a healthy choice. Corn thrives in warm climates, requiring plenty of sunlight and water to produce the best harvest.